Welcome
to Eternity, the Dark World.
你准备好了吗？
I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, came with 2 doors, yeah, that's a Mercedes one. I stay with the baddest, I'm counting cabbage while making my lady come. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a Brabus, that's why I be racing. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war.
I got static in my city. Who fucking with me? Pull up with this 30 and this chopper hold a 50. Man, I heard that nigga Nick. That's the risk. Man, we spray his car, spray his window. She keeps sucking on my dick, trying to get it hickey. Yeah, I swear that pussy too wet, sticky. I kicked her right out of the front door. I'm picky, yeah. And every time she go to call my phone, I'm busy, yeah. I heard it's some niggas that's on my head. I heard it's some niggas that's on my brain.
Y'all niggas bet you'll be for y'all, I'll be done. Whole lot of hoes, whole lot of men. Yeah, whole lot of clothes, nigga be smelling my sweat. Whole lot of emeralds, please tuck your baguette. Yeah, whole lot of red rubies on my neck. Uzi, it came with a tick. The brick, it came with a vid. I can teach you how to fix. The Draco, it came with a bitch. The condo, it came with a pit. My new bitch, she came with some dick. Man, these boy ain't believe me until I pulled up in my niggas on switch. Man, these boy ain't believe me, they thought I believed in the devil like witch. Man, these boy ain't believe me, a real rock star chrome heart on my beanie. Pretty boy cannot see me, that's why I be living my life like I'm Stevie. Wake up and sash my bitch, I got on that titty, I even had a chin. I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her